Good morning, hi, it is Monday morning and I've just been to the gym, hence the very sweaty hair and the very sweaty top. This is me doing a bit of a week in my life, going through kind of what I'm wearing, what I'm doing with my hair and just generally kind of what I get up to. Right, this is me ready, here we go. This is my outfit for today. I have got a Uniqlo linen shirt. I've totally undone it. I've got a little bit of Tan Luxe, the gloss, which is a bit of like an instant self-tan onto my chest because it is so white. Shorts I've got are from Topman. Then I've got the Gucci trainers. I will link this all down below, guys. I've got Niox and Dye Boost in my hair just to give it an instant plump, a bit of volume. And then today I'm using Apothecary 87 because I wanted something that was a little bit slick, that would hold, could get the parting in. A moisturizer, actually, it's L'Oreal Men Expert. Run out of my Lab series, and the Men Expert one I think is really very good. It's an oil control one, so it's gonna take off the shine. Then I've got Elizabeth Arden SPF 50, and that again is just gonna protect my skin because we are due to have 30 degrees plus. It's such a nice day that I've decided to get off the bus and walk a bit. Here we go, Hyde Park behind me. God, I can't remember the name of this, that's so bad. What is this called again? Wellington's Arch, there you go. Sunglasses I got at the airport when I went to Barcelona. Saint Laurent. I've got them in sort of a square shape and I thought I'll get them round. Meeting's done, very bright, very warm, and now going back into the office. Today is going to be an office day. There won't be much to see here. Literally, we'll still be wearing this, still have my hair like this. Probably just sweat quite a lot. Yeah, that's Monday. Good morning, hi. It is Tuesday. It is due to be another hot day. I am running late, as ever. Today, I am off to a meeting, and then I'm off to get a haircut. Right, that was an enjoyable bus journey. Today, I have got Saint Laurent sunglasses, which essentially are the square version of the round ones I was wearing yesterday. Zara, white t-shirt, just the usual. I've got my Guess Collection watch. Topman, are these Topman? Yeah, Topman, braid, edged shorts. Then, see if I can get the shoes for you. They are McQueen. In my hair, I've got Niox and Dye Boost. And then I've got Label and Matte Paste. These are the shoes, hang on. Right, I've got this on. Dom has also grown his hair out. Nice. You remember Dom from when he fixed my hair last time when that guy really fucked it up?
What product would you like?
I don't know, should we just, maybe even just use that?
Cream.
Cream, yeah. So what have you done here?
So we're taking a little bit of the top,
Yeah.
tips. We've gone in with a number 5 just low here. Scissor over comb the rest of it. And a nice little tape
Tape at the back. Do you want to?
Would you like to do it?
I would, thank you. Right, and I've just styled it with this American Fruit Cream Pomade. There we go. I like that. There we are. Very happy with this hair. Dom has done a sterling job as ever. I feel like this might be the end of this one today. If it is, then I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it is Wednesday. Got a couple of like hero products or stuff that I absolutely love at the moment in terms of skincare. I've got my usual moisturizers, but this is Elizabeth Arden City Smart. This really I'm using as an SPF. So an SPF with kind of like moisturizing properties, but also like pollution barriers. But this is amazing, and also Menergy Camo Stick, which I have spoken about before. I'm using this as like a sort of under eye concealer. I'm using it on spots, I'm using it on shaving cuts. A little bit of color there. Next, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm in a t-shirt and pants. We're gonna keep you up here. I mean, no surprises, a bit of Nioxin Dye Boost. You're a bit low here, aren't you? Let's take you up a bit. Yeah, Nioxin Dye Boost, I just love because it plumps and thickens the hair. It's almost finished. Medium heat, fast speed. Always say it, but I always believe it. And go. Okay. Volumized, thicker, looking good. That's what we want, that is done. American Crew Forming, is it forming? Yes, forming cream. More of a sort of a light hold, you can see there, it's more creamy. Place it in. And then, actually that looks quite good. I could actually just go there, but I'm gonna sweep it this way. You can see that parting is still being cut in. Just sort of shaking it, guys, is pulling these bits down rather than having it all. Taking no risks. I am going to use a little bit of hairspray. VO5 Mega Hold. I actually bought a second one of these, which really says I do like it. Done, there you go. Uniqlo t-shirt, focus please. There, little Uniqlo navy t-shirt. Noke trousers, which have got this check print, which I really like. These are available at ASOS. I'll link everything. And then little ASOS plimsolls, which I think were literally about like £8, super cheap. My glasses are from Glasses Direct. I really like these, sort of frameless, rimless. The hair is doing well. I enjoy that it sort of just like comes down a bit and just sort of drops. This is a delivery that's just arrived in the office. A whole little tins of juice from Perrier, which is very exciting. I'm back in Scotland from watering jug from tomorrow. I'm worried because this is the first time I'm leaving my plants. I've been to the gym this morning. I've sweated everything out from the week. This is me now in my dressing gown, getting ready to go. Here we go, this is me ready. I've got Sebastian Eruptech in my hair for a bit of volume. I've run out my Nioxin Dye Boost. And then I have used Label M MAC paste, not the clay. I've got that in my hair. Then, let's give you a bit of an outfit. Reese Grandad collar, obviously shirt, that's always what I wear. Let's get over to the mirror. God, it's so dark in here. Little Remus Umo jeans, literally just dark. And then I will be wearing these again just because they're comfy for the flight. Right, I'm good and I'm packed. And I've got a new suitcase which I'm going to show you. I got this, I actually got sent this from Bricks and it is beautiful. How nice is this? Perfect size for me. Really nice leather detail on this olive colour. Thank you, Bricks. I absolutely love this, it's so me. Good morning, happy Friday. I have driven about like 5 minutes in the car along to onto the coast. I'm having a little run. It is pretty amazing. This is the North Sea. I think we're actually closer to Norway than we are to London, or something like that. I've got the music pumping. I've got the sea out there. Oh, it's all good. There we go. That wasn't a long run, that was 4 kilometers, so not much at all. But I've been doing all this free elastix training, so I'm not so used to running at the moment, but it was enjoyable. Monks live here. In there, my mum's sitting on a bench. Taking the car back to the running spot, and I got my drone. I've got to get it up here. It's so, I've got to say, it is so beautiful here, as you'll see. And I'm only really reminded of this once I leave London and don't have people all around me. And I've actually got the sea. So I'm going to show you. I am going to show you. Come on. Happy Saturday! I'm at the European Pipe Band Championships. Obviously, cup of coffee, bit of a hair and style for you. Next suit, you've seen this before. I wore it in Barcelona. That video's probably up. In my hair, I've got a Beta thickening tonic. My mum has got that in the bathroom. Then I've got, what do I have? Label M Mackley, block carts, and I'll show you what's going on today. This is it, right behind. There. I'm absolutely roasting. But this is it back here. This is the competition on the water, rehydrating. Happy Sunday! Final, is this recording? Yes it is. Last day of this, what I wore, what I did with my hair vlog. Have you enjoyed this? I don't know, but I have got, what do I have in here? Label M Volumizing Cream. My mum has got it upstairs. Product I've recommended to her. And then I've got Apothecary 87 Clay. On my skin, I've got some of the Elizabeth Arden City Smart SPF 50 because it's very warm. In terms of what I'm wearing, little white t-shirt. Not hugely exciting, but I enjoy this. I think I wore this earlier in the week. This is Zara. Got the Saint Laurent sunglasses, and then these shorts, which you'll have seen in my shorts video last week or the week before. Pinstripe shorts from What a Mess. Ignore that. Sorry. Pinstripe shorts from Topman, and then I am going to finish just with these because I've only taken one pair really of shoes home, or those, plus these, which are obviously very formal. It is so hot. It's so hot. I don't think I remember it being this hot. I don't know if it's ever been this hot actually in Scotland since I've been here. Just a good 30 years. So laying out, enjoying this. So sweaty. But that's been this week. That has been my first sort of week of, I would love suggestions on this because it's you guys that are watching it. I want you to actually enjoy these sort of things. If there's something that you like, then let me know. If you've got suggestions of how I can make it better, then I would also love to hear that. I've got various events and trips coming up, so we can sort of get that into there. But thank you again. If you've watched this and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe. The button will be there, like literally a button there, or it's below this. Also that bell button for notifications, make sure it's on. More video suggestions there. A link to my blog, which is going to be changing very soon there. And my podcast and Instagram stories. So if you like me babbling on, Instagram stories there. But I'm going to see you in the next new video. Bye bye.